Hi there! I've got a great tool to show you today. Looking for the ultimate tool set? Meet the DeWALT DWMT81534-1 Socket and Accessory Set. With an incredible 205 pieces, this set has everything you need for any mechanical job. Automotive repairs, household projects, you name it. Crafted from high-quality chrome vanadium steel, the polished finish ensures corrosion resistance and easy maintenance. Plus, the smooth operating ratchet mechanism makes every turn effortless. And with a robust blow-molded case featuring metal latches, your tools stay secure and organized. Get ready to tackle any task with confidence. Choose this DeWALT set today.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.